What's going on, guys? Bruce here at Bullish Currency, back at you with another Truebit update, guys. It's been a little while, but honestly, there hasn't been much going on besides, what we kind of talked about in the last video. We can see today on the chart analysis that it basically happened. A little bit of what we mentioned. Now, before we get into the good news, the bad news, and what we can expect from where we are now with Truebit, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, guys. You never know which Truebit updates can be a huge help. And definitely appreciate you guys showing love and supporting. Definitely comment below because maybe you know something we don't know. At the end of the day, there's not much information out there in general for Truebit. So definitely, if you share information, share the resource website you got it from so we can verify it and make sure it's legit, guys. Be careful out there. As always, guys, everything we share here is only entertainment. Education is not financial advice. Do your due diligence. Be safe out there in these crazy crypto spaces. But there's profits to be made. So without further ado, let's get to the bag. So here we go with Truebit, guys. As you can see, we're a little red today. Nothing crazy. The numbers aren't exciting right here on CoinMarketCap. Just negative 15%. Nothing crazy. Now, I doubt there's any news, on here in CoinMarketCap because there never really is when it comes to Truebit. But of course, you guys know I want to take a look at the holders just to see where the army is, what direction the army is going. So as you can see, the army is still going on a decline here. The amount of holders has been on a decline for a while now, since the last time I checked it. And as you can see here, for the last 7 days, it's been on a decline. Now, of course, numbers, number-wise, as far as how much holders are actually leaving, and it's not a dramatic amount. Like in a week, it's been, 50 holders or so, right? Less than 50 holders. So that's not a big number, but it does say something that is on a decline. You look at coins like Shiba, Kishu, you see that the holders, even despite bearish momentum in the chart and price, you see the holders increasing, right? You see the holders building up. Because the project's so strong, the belief in the project so strong that new holders are still coming on board. And in fact, probably seeing that correction, retracement as an opportunity. But for some reason, we don't have the same response to Truebit. We don't see holders just flooding in because they see where the chart is right now, where price is, and see, okay, this is probably a great opportunity to get in. We don't see that right now, okay? Which is, it's still mind-boggling, to be honest, because I think this is a great project. I think this is so underrated. I think it can go so big. I think it can be so powerful in the crypto space that I still don't understand, why it's not just blowing up. I think if we can make this video blow up a little bit more, we can help Truebit a little bit more. At the end of the day, we're in this together. So, feel free to share these videos, guys, anytime. At the end of the day, anybody who shares any crypto videos, we're ultimately all bullish. We're just helping each other out. We're just helping each other make more money by sharing, each other's content and stuff like that when it comes to crypto, especially. Probably going to see the same thing happen again, or at least we hope so. But even if we don't, we are already capitalized on this move. It should be 100% risk-free if you're in a bullish currency community. In fact, now this is just a bonus. Let's see what happens, guys. We'll keep an eye on it for you. We'll update as much as possible. As always, guys, stay blessed and stay bullish.